Ever wondered what actually happens when you sneeze? Here's the deal. A sneeze starts when tiny particles, like dust or pollen, irritate your nose. Your brain sends a signal, your chest muscles tighten, your eyes close, and then, boom. You blast air out at up to 160 kilometers per hour to clear your airways. But here's the weird part. People say your heart stops when you sneeze. What's really happening? When you sneeze, the sudden pressure in your chest changes your blood flow. This makes your heart's rhythm briefly pause or skip a beat. It doesn't fully stop. It's just a tiny reset your body can easily handle. So, sneezing is basically your body's way of cleaning house, while your heart takes a mini hiccup before carrying on. Cool, right? Rightly explained.